Behind us is the FW-82. We're going to take a look inside and see all the equipment. Here we are inside the FW-82. Behind me here is the large Deaerator tank. This tank is rated for a max allowable working pressure of 100 psi. On this tank are all the level controls and all the operating controls that you'll need to efficiently operate this Deaerator. As we move forward in the trailer, we see this large pump set. Here are various stages of pumps, booster pumps, Feedwater pumps, and a second set of Feedwater pumps. This allows us to export the appropriate Feedwater pressure to your vessel. On the right side of me here are all of the controls for the feed pumps, the on-off switches, the starters, and all of the controls for the large motors on these Feedwater pumps. As we walk towards the front of the container, we can see the rest of the equipment located here. On the wall is all of the steam controls. As the steam enters into the container, it goes through these various control valves to be correctly controlled for the Deaerator. Down below these control valves, we have an air compressor. This air compressor is used for the pneumatic controls for the various control valves throughout the container. As we step back further into the container, we see this large Duplex softener system. The softener system is used to soften the hard water that you may have at your site and get it ready for the Deaerator tank. As we look over to the back of the container, we see chemical tanks and a small space heater. Those chemical tanks and chemical pumps get the exact chemical you require into the Deaerator and ready for the boiler feed water